Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 12T Pro, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our device, and after that we should open the settings app, then scroll down to always on display and lock screen section and tap here to always on display. We can change here the display settings just for 10 seconds after tapping always by scheduled and to turn it off when the battery saver mode is on. If you want to use your custom theme, you should click here on this plus. Here we can select our image from our device gallery, for example, to change the color of the date and time, to change the position of the clock here, and to turn on or turn off the battery and notifications in always on display mode. If you want to use the default themes, the signatures, analog, kaleidoscope, digital clocks, and other backgrounds, you should just click it here. By the same way we can change the color of the battery and notifications and just tap to apply. Now we can see that this applied successfully, so let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.